Okay, well, we're live. All right, thank you. Thank you for being here. I am working on my video setup. This is the workshop where it all happens. And I wanted to thank you, Wayne's World, for the amazing viewers and subs you have. They just blew up my channel and even my what's the other one, the Facebook. And so one of the subscribers had suggested to tell a joke. So all right, let's see how well this works. All right, so a rope walks into a bar, asks the bartender for a drink. Bartender says, "Get out of here. We don't serve your kind." So he, a little dejected, goes outside, kind of tussles up his end there and kind of crazyifies himself. He goes back into the bar and asks for a drink again. The bartender says, "Well, I already told you, we don't serve your kind. We don't want you around here." And the rope says, "What are you talking about?" He says, "I already told you, we don't serve ropes." He says, "I'm not a rope." The bartender says, "You're not?" He says, "No, I'm afraid not." All right, so that's the joke. All right. So a little bit of me personally. This is the shiny bike. That's 120 hours taking the components off and then putting it kind of where I can paint it. And then there's an additive, Pearl X. It's looks metallic. It's not metallic. And it's safe for the environment. So the trick to getting the light to work with the Pearl X is that you have to put layers of varnish and clear coat. So that is how you're able to get that incredible gloss, incredible shine, and the light moving bouncing between the particles is what gives you that pearlescent kind of fascinating look. And the idea is to make the bikes as reflective to the cars at night as possible. And so I've tried a number of different remedies to make that work, but reflectors, lights, but something on the bike itself. So this has been an experiment to get the bicycle to work. And I think what I'm going to do is, as a gift to your folks, the 1,000th subscriber will get this bike when it's done, eventually. And the wheels are over there. You can kind of see they're put together somewhere. I don't know, over there. All right, you can see them anyway. You get the point. So just because you, like, holy crap, you have blown up literally my channel, and I'm very thankful. So I'm putting this out there for posterity, I think, as my next video. So there is a lesson for today, and that's here coming up. Basic as another thank you to, that was actually a thank you to a lucky subscriber, I think, who would be one of yours. It's certainly not one of my people. And thank you for the love and support to all of you. I very much appreciate it. And I've been working on trying to just keep learning what there is to know about the subject. And I very much appreciate the dialogue with everyone that's come over and said hi and thank you. So you guys are fabulous. I very much appreciate your love and support. So thank you for keeping me on the track and keeping me on my toes. Thank you. All right. Have a great rest of your day. Namaste.